Good morning, children. How are you? I am your Bhavna teacher, your EVS teacher. Today, we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay? Before starting with the new chapter, I want everybody to take the textbook in your hand. Take the textbook in your hand and listen to my video. Okay? Now, open your textbook, page number 73. This is a very interesting chapter. The chapter name is lesson number 10, Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay, now before getting into the chapter, let me give you information about this chapter. That is what? Kabaddi. Okay, Kabaddi is what? Now, Kabaddi is it's a game. Yes, it's a national sport which was developed in ancient India. Means this game was made in India and it spread to all the native states. Yes, native means Iran, then Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Wherever this game is played, this game is having different names. The common name in India is called Kabaddi. But in the Eastern India, it is having different name. In the Western India, it is pronounced with different name. In the Southern India, people say it a different name. The game is same, rules are same, but the name is different. Okay, everybody? So, this game is having a two team. You all are common with this game, Kabaddi, Kabaddi, you all know, yes, but you don't know the proper rules, how it is played. So, in this chapter, you will get to know how this game is properly played with the rules and regulation. So, there is a story based thing over here. Yes, in this story, we will learn the rules and regulation, how this game is played. So, now let's start. Now, this is let's move. Okay, page number 73. Here it is written Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Out, out, all the girls shouted. Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Hold from here. Kabaddi, Kabaddi, hold from the leg, hold her leg. Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Vasudha, you come here, you hold her from here. Hey Sushila, make sure that her hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Okay, now here this is a short poem like thing written over here. Yes, we don't say it a poem, but a article is written over here. In this, there are the names came. Yes, Vasudha, then Sushila, all these are the girls. They are in the opposite team. Okay, and the one girl from the opposite team has came. So these girls are telling, they are instructing each other. One is telling hold her leg, other is telling hold her hand, other girl is telling don't allow she has touched it. Okay, now this one of the girl was telling ki she has touched the line. Out, out, all out. Oh, your team is all out. So this is just the thing. Yes, now what is out? How is the team declare out? How does she touches the line? And everything we will come to know in this chapter. So let's move. All of you open the page number 74. Okay, children, when this game is played, there are two teams. Okay, so in the two teams, there are seven members. 7 members in one team. On the opposite side, one team is standing. It is also having 7 players. Okay, so a team of 7 players are there. 7 here and 7 there in the opposite side. Okay, and this is a game which is played by both men and women, girls and boys both play this game. Okay, now let's move. So here you can see in the picture also you can see green girl is there on the floor and the girls in the yellow. Yes, so you got to know that these are two different teams. One girl, she has came from another that is green girl, as you can say. Yes, and the 3 girls are there. They doesn't want this girl to touch the line. See, you can see that line also here. Yes, the green girl is trying to touch the line. And the line, once she doesn't touch the line, that means this yellow girls will win. But if this green girl touch the line, the yellow girls are going to get out and she is going to get win. So this is the picture. This is the meaning of this picture. Okay. So now let's move. What is written over here? What are the girls doing? They are shouting out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. Okay, there are some girls, yellow girl, green girl, all the girls are there. Yes, what are they shouting? There was a noise coming from the team, out, out. Okay, whenever we listen such kind of things, when a game is played, whatever is going on, let us check when some peoples are there. If they shout out, out, it means without by seeing also we can identify that out, out means obviously they are playing they are playing any kind of game. Okay, now what do they call this game? Okay, now if they are playing a game, what is this game? Now there are the different name children written over here. As you can see, Chedu Gudu. Chedu Gudu, it is called in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, Chedu Gudu. Then Hututu. Hututu is normally called in South India. And in some part of Western India also it is called Hututu. Okay. Choket Kit. It is a name which is used by women. Okay. In Western India. When the women team plays in Western India normally, okay, they call is Choket Kit. So they don't say kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. They say Choket Kit, Choket Kit, Choket Kit like this. Okay. Okay, now the next name is Hududu. Hududu is a name. It is called in Bangladesh. Rules are same. Game is same. But the name has been transformed. Okay, so Bangladesh it is called Hududu. And the Kabaddi. Kabaddi is the commonly Maharashtra, Punjab. Okay, then it is commonly known as Kabaddi. Or something else. Something else means there are a lot of names. Something else means these are only some kind of names of Kabaddi. Okay, there are other different names also. So now let's start further. When the girl surrounded Shamla and caught her. Okay, girl surrounded Shamla means the green color girl. Yes, the green girl, that is the girl wearing green color. Yes, she is Shamla. And caught her. Everyone thought she was out. Okay, when the yellow girls has caught Shamla, everybody thought that now Shamla is going to get out. Somebody caught her leg and somebody her arms. Some girls has holded firmly hands. Some girls has holded her legs so that this girl Shamla cannot move further to touch the line. When one girl caught her by waist, okay, and three different parts: hands, legs, and waist. Waist, you all know, yes, the torso, the area between the hands and legs. Okay, so these three are caught by the girls. Usually, when these three things get caught, we can't move. Yes, our body can't move because hands are caught, legs are caught, and our torso, that is the waist part, has also been caught. Okay, but still Shamla was not one to give up. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. But this girl Shamla, that is the green color, in spite of getting tightly caught by all these girls, but still her determination was so strong that she doesn't wanted to give up. She doesn't wanted to give up no matter whatever. Still she tries to drag her body. Drag means just to move. Drag means, you can see the ant. How does it move? Slowly it moves on the ground. Yes. So similarly this girl also, she used the entire strength. Yes. And she was finally she was successful in touching that line. That is the white color line you can see. Okay, and managed to touch the line in the center. The line which is made in the center of both the teams. Yes, she was successful in touching that line. Somehow she succeeded. But when Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite side were holding her. Okay, when she was touching that line, you can see these girls, they are holding firmly this girl. So all of them got out. So obviously she was successful in touching the line. This green color girl, that is Shamla. So yellow were out. But Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between. Now this is the thing. Whenever this green color girl. Yes, in the story you can see this Shamla has, whenever as soon as she cross this white line and enters into the yellow team, yes, she needs to tell kabaddi kabaddi continuously. If she take a breath in between, if she stops saying kabaddi kabaddi, she is out. Her team is out. Okay, so one girl is there over here, that is Rosie. She is saying that Shamla has taken a breath in between. Taken a breath means she has stopped for a while in saying kabaddi kabaddi. Continuously we have to say kabaddi 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 until we touch the line. Once we touch the line, that means we have to stop saying kabaddi kabaddi. But this girl Shamla has stopped in between. Okay, she has taken the breath. Taken the breath means normally when we are saying something, yes, continuously, and if we take a breath, what happened? We stop for a while. Yes, so like that only. She stopped for a while. So Shamla breath in between. So her team was not out. So the yellow team is not out because this girl has taken a breath. That is the green color girl. Shamla insisted that this was not true. But the green color girl, Shamla, was saying, no, it is not true. I have continuously told kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Okay, now she said that if she has taken a breath, why does the girls keep holding her? Okay, now she is saying that if I had stopped in between, then why you were holding me? You can release me and you can tell, you can shout that I have stopped saying it. Okay, you were holding me because you know that I am saying kabaddi kabaddi also, plus I am trying to touch the line also. But now just because you lose the game, so you are telling me, you are questioning me. Okay, she was saying like that. And like this there was an argument. Usually this happens in game. Yes, when one team gets win, another team does not win. There is a case of an argument. So there is a referee also there in the game who decides, who sees the game. Yes, fairly he decide it. He sees and he tells. Okay, now what will the next happen? We will see. There was a big argument. Finally, Shamla won. Okay, there was a big argument. Argument means what? Fighting. Not a physical fight. Yes, argument means when we speak by words. When we cut each other words. When somebody says this, you cut and you say that. She say that, you say that, she say, you say, she say, you say, like this. The conversation goes on and this is called a big argument. Yes, in which we are not ready to accept the other person's what he is saying. We just want to tell our words only. Okay, we doesn't want to listen any other. We just want, okay, all of you will listen us only. Because we are only true, they are not. Okay, so finally Shamla won. And at the last, when the argument was over, the green color girl, she has won. That means she has not stopped saying kabaddi kabaddi also. Plus she has touched the line also. She was successful. Okay, now I hope this much you have understood. Now we will see the next part.